bago lang sa mama ko, ayun, tontuwa. Naiyak na ako. Umiyak na yung parents ko, ayun.
Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord!
Halos gabi-gabi walang tulog. Sleep for us is a luxury. If you have 4 hours of sleep, okay na yun. Oh! Abogado na ako!
I'm blessed. Thanks, God.
Congrats! Ikaw, Clarissa ba, Clarissa? Ano pakiramdam mo? Nakapasa ka na? Masaya, para sa kanila.
Congratulations! Pumasa ka ng bar. Inilaban mo to, pinaghirapan mo to, deserve mo to. Pinasa mo yung bar exam ng Pilipinas. Monumental yung challenge na nilagpasan mo. Pero ngayon ang tanong, what comes next? Ano na? Anong pagkatapos nun? Smooth sailing na lang ba papunta sa magandang legal career na gusto mo? Tara, pag-usapan natin. May 4 na bagay na gusto ko ibahagi sa inyo. Una sa lahat, take it slow. Breathe in, huminga ka ng malalim, observe your surroundings. Mas mabango ang ihip ng hangin ngayong abogado ka na. Tandaan mo, maraming magbubukas na pinto. Countless opportunities will be around you. Maraming distractions. Wag na wag mong kalimutan. Maraming distractions. Wag na wag mong kalimutan bakit mo sinimulan itong journey na to in the first place. Bakit mo ginustong maging abogado. Ngayong abogado ka na, wag mong kalimutan yun. Wag kang magmadali. Ngayong abogado ka na, dadating at dadating kung ano yung para sa'yo. Susunod. Pangalawa, thank your parents and all your supporters. Remember those who stood by you. From late night talks to endless cups of coffee, alam natin yan, mga tambay sa Starbucks, pati mga tambay ng CBTL. Your support system, ayaw mo man o hindi, crucial yan. Your support system was crucial to your success. Go out of your way to express how much they mean to you. Express your gratitude to them. Pagkatapos nun, ang gusto mong gawin is to build your brand. Yes, 2023 ngayon. Soon enough, 2024 na. The rules of the game have changed. It's time for you to build your personal brand. Ayaw mo man o hindi, you're more than just a lawyer. You are a unique individual. You are a walking brand. In today's competitive landscape, crafting your professional identity is key. Update your LinkedIn accounts. Update your Facebook accounts if need be. In the next videos, we'll discuss how to make an effective personal brand that resonates in the legal world. At number 4, network. The law is about who you know as much as about what you know. Networking, hindi lang yan basta pagbibigay at pagkuha ng business card or calling card. It's about building relationships. Relationships that are meaningful and not just hi, hello, but deep, meaningful relationships. Research about effective networking strategies that can open doors for you in the long term. Passing the bar is a remarkable achievement. Ilang tao lang sa buong history ng Pilipinas ang nakakagawa niyan. Pero yun lang ang simula. It's just the beginning. By taking it slow, showing gratitude to your supporters, building your brand, and expanding your network, you will set the stage for a thriving legal career. And remember, whenever you feel lost, wag mong kalimutan, nakapasa ka ng bar exam. And that means a lot.